time we bought it.
Or you are advising people to buy IVM Keke Napep?
Well.
Hi people, this is Urbanized Media. Welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe and turn on bell notification so that anytime I post a new video you get notified. So guys, today I was walking on the street and I came across a keke driver that was riding IVM brand, Innoson brand. So I deemed it fit to stop him and ask him one or two questions about this IVM Keke, because people have been asking questions since they did a test run a few months ago about this IVM Keke. How strong is it? It is this and that. What's the price? How efficient? This and that. So I want to bring you an interview. I want to interview the man now so that he will tell us his experience for the past 3 or 4 months now that he's been using this Keke in IVM Keke. So stay tuned. Let's go. So guys, that's the man in his IVM Keke. You can see the logo IVM. Yeah, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
We saw you riding IVM Keke Napep and it was something amazing. It amazed me. That's why I stopped you. That's why I approached you, because people have been asking questions about this particular IVM Keke Napep. People are interested in buying IVM because the price of Keke in the market now is something crazy, like above ₦1 million. So, and people want to know if IVM will give them a better offer, a cheaper offer, so that they can, dive into that offer. But I want to ask you a few questions first before we go to the price of this IVM Keke Napep. First of all, for how long have you been riding this IVM Keke Napep now?
Almost 3 months.
Almost 3 months and
yes.
Wow, that's nice. What's your experience with this IVM Keke Napep for the past 3 months?
Anyway, it's giving me satisfaction since I'm riding it.
It's giving you satisfaction?
Yes, only the fuel consumption.
Okay, you are having issues with the fuel consumption.
Yes.
Like how? It consumes much fuel or what?
The fuel you consume almost
2,500 naira fuel a day. And you think that is much?
For the Keke side, it's too much.
Okay, it's too much for Keke.
Almost motorcycle.
Oh, but have you driven any other Keke brand before? Have you used any other Keke brand before?
No.
So how do you now say that it's too much since you have not driven another Keke Napep?
I know, in short, I never drive any Keke before.
Okay, you're just thinking that it should be cheaper, yes, because it's Keke,
yes, and
it should be consuming like the same amount of fuel as bike. Okay, you have been using bike.
Yes.
Okay, you are using your bike experience.
Yes.
So
yes,
know what Keke will give you.
Yes.
But do you think that is something feasible? Do you think using bike to equate Keke based on the fuel consumption, do you think is something?
Because this Keke now, the carburetor is easy white inside. If you carry that carburetor inside the commode the one wey dey there, put am, all of them like same.
It will work.
It will work very well. That's why I'm thinking.
Okay, that's why you are thinking so. Yes. Okay, not that you are 100% sure.
No.
Okay. No. But apart from the Keke consumption now, how durable, how strong is this IVM Keke Napep?
Well, I'm driving IVM.
Yeah.
IVM is giving me
satisfaction, like it's strong enough.
On my hand now.
Yeah.
Because I never know tomorrow.
Okay. But you are based on your experience so far, you are advising people to buy IVM Keke Napep.
Well.
So guys, you have heard it all. That IVM Keke Napep is durable. It's a durable brand. And okay, let's go to the price now. What is the price like when you bought it?
The time we bought it 950,000.
950,000 naira.
Yes.
And that's quite cheap, right? So my people, he's saying that he bought this IVM Keke Napep 950,000 naira, and that it is way cheaper compared to other brands that are sold for 1.2 million, 1.3 million and all that. So, and it's durable. So I don't think there is anything holding you back from buying IVM Keke Napep, you know, patronizing made in Nigeria product. Okay. So let me show you the interior part of the Keke Napep. This is the interior. So you can see it here, made in Nigeria. So it also has a kind of shade, so when rain is falling, you just cover your side. So it's quite nice, and even at the driver side and the other side too, it's quite nice.